In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can recover your deleted memories on Snapchat. Therefore, without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. So if you want to recover your deleted memories on Snapchat, then what you have to do is to open Snapchat application. Click on your profiles icon at the top left corner of your screens. Then click on the settings icon. Scroll down and click on the second last option, my data. Again scroll down, then enable this option that says do you want to include your memories as a downloadable file. After that, confirm your email address that is linked with your Snapchat account. Once you have done that, click on the submit request option, and after that, within the next 24 hours, a file containing your deleted memories will be sent to your email address. Once the file is received, all you have to do is to download it and your deleted memories on Snapchat will be recovered. So that was it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.